Let's go, Blossom, this way, this way. Come on, honey. Why? You go on an adventure, catch up with them. But don't fall, this way.
You go with me, Dad.
Yeah, of course. I'm minding you. Okay, go, come on, let's catch up with them. Are you happy now you came? Come on, you just come up to the waterfall, wait to see. Go, catch up. They're up there, go, go, go. Yeah, that's it. Don't trip up. Yeah. Okay. Look. Look over there, Blossom, look.
Catch up with them.
Yeah, Willow. Right up. Whoa, whoa, whoa. See, careful. You're doing good though. You okay?
We're getting close.
Look at me. Wait, will you do that? Look at me again. Okay. Good girl. Come on up. Look at this.
Really cool. Wow. I'm alright.
You're alright. Come on. Are you okay? See, good thing I brought the water in the boat, isn't it? Hold my hand then.
Yeah.
This way?
Are you sure?
Stand here. Willow. Willow. Do you want to do a photo? Here, Blossom, just stay there. Here, guys, just stand here. Have a nice photo. Quick. You'll come down here to this piece. There. Just stay there for a sec. Blossom, can you smile? Okay. Go, go. Just be careful. Gotcha.
That was big.
That was big.
Oh great, there's next.
Where's the dinosaurs?
Where?
Watch the mud, watch the mud. Oh wow. Wait up slow, Blossom, nice. Blossom. Just be careful now, guys.
Okay, here, so you got the waterfall in the background. Here.
Just don't stamp. Slowly. Stay there. Hold each other. Stand there. Hold, stay. Careful.
Right, come on, Riley.
And hold hands.
Come on, come on. Riley, come on.
Good job, guys.
Good job.
Hang on. No, don't go. Willow, Blossom, stay there. Willow, just there. Don't. It's slippy there. You don't. You'll just end up slipping or something. I think maybe. Do you want to take? Will I take a photo of you?
Send it just to David.
Will I send it? Do you want a nice photo?
No,
Yeah,
I don't like posing for photos. I'm real like.
Go on, it'll be a nice photo.
I know. Thanks though.
Okay.
I just wanted to send.
You okay? Yeah, we're going to go back in a minute and back to the boat and then back. It's beautiful. Have you been up here, Alma? No. It's cool, isn't it? Yeah, do you want to, Blossom, do you want to go with Alma? And, yeah, don't go on the boat yet though. I'll wait for these guys. 2 minutes. See? Hang on, Georgia. Wow. Careful, it's not slippy.
Careful.
Hang on, Georgia. You did it, you did it. You did it. Yeah, just be slow. It's fine, just don't go on any of the green. Just slow, yeah. Here, guys, get there for a photo. Willow, don't go anymore. That's slippy. Stay there and I'll do a photo because we're real close. It'll be cool. Get in for a photo. I'll take a photo of you guys. Quick. Quick. Stay. Okay, stay here. Hang on. It'll look good with the... Come in a little bit there. But be careful. You're okay. Hold... Well, no, because I need you down. Stay there, yeah. And then Willow, just come here. It'll be a cool photo because we're right beside the... A little bit more. Hang on. Give us a smile. That's it. Look, it's good. Like we're literally, we could go swimming in there. Okay, just be careful here, okay? And don't worry, I'll help you guys up. It's actually up is probably easier. Will I show you?
I will show you.
Come on. Good job, good job. Go, Willow. Yay, we did it! That was a cool adventure, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's a parking lot.
That's, yeah, no, it's only a car park, Willow. It's kind of, it's more of a, it'd probably be just like kind of. That was nice. Thanks, yeah. Hey, how are you? Cheers. That rock, look at that one. That's going to come loose one of these days. Janie. Someone's going to hurt themselves with that. The day that comes loose, they're going to fall. I don't want to mess with it though.
Yeah, I kind of care.
It's so beautiful. Oh, there. Slow, guys, slow. Blossom, be careful.